Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the current trend of the price action and find out the present support and resistance levels. Before that, let us look at the economical events plan for today. Today is Tuesday, September 13th. At 7 AM we have medium impacting news planned for Australian dollar related currency pairs. Then at 6 PM we have high impacting news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. Otherwise we have only low impacting news planned for major currency pairs. Let us begin our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action in daily time frame, we have noticed a price to trend up to the support level of 1690 to 1680, then to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. Again we have noticed a price action to retrace and took support on the same area where it took support previously, and again we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. And when we look at the past price action also, this area had acted as a very strong support in the past. So we can expect this support zone to be acting as a very strong support even if the price action retraces back on the bearish side retracement. And only when the price action breaks this support area, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in daily time frame. So when we notice the current price action, we have seen the spike to test the resistance level of 1735. In the past also we have noticed a price action to spike up to this level, and this level had acted as a very strong resistance in the past. So although the price action is retracing on the bullish side retracement, when we look at the trend of the price action, it is still in a bearish trend. We can see that price to fall, then to have a pullback, again the price to fall, again we are seeing a pullback. Only when the price action breaks the previous high, which is going to be around 1759, we can say that gold has started its bullish side retracement. Again we have lots of resistance levels for the price action on the bullish side also in the daily time frame. Let us mark the resistance and support levels for daily time frame. So these are all the resistance and support levels for the current price action in daily time frame, and currently we are noticing the price action in daily time frame to retrace back on the bullish side trend. And only when the price action breaks the previous high of 1763, we can expect the bullish side trend reversal to start in daily time frame. Till then it is only a retracement, it is not a trend reversal in daily time frame. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the price action from the 4 hours time frame, I am drawing a resistance line and a support line, which is a bearish channel pattern, and we have noticed the price action to take support on the bearish channel pattern support line and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. Again I am going to draw a bullish channel pattern, and we are noticing the price action to continuously trend on the bullish side retracement. Currently the price action has found resistance on the higher time frame resistance level of 1735, and if the price action breaks this resistance level, next level of resistance from the higher time frame is going to be around 1749 or 1750. And currently we are noticing the price action to trend on the bullish channel pattern, and as long as the price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in 4 hours time frame. And if the bullish trend continues, we can expect the price action to form a double bottom pattern, which means that we can expect it to retrace up to the previous high of 1769 from where it started its double bottom pattern in 4 hours time frame. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, we are seeing the price action to trend on the bullish side within this bullish channel pattern from the 4 hours time frame. Previously, the price action had taken support on the bullish channel pattern support line. Currently, we are noticing the price action to bounce back from the daily time frame resistance level of 1735. And if the bearish trend continues, we can expect the price action to take support on the higher time frame support level of 1718. Only when the price action breaks this support level, we can expect it to continue trending on the bearish side, and next level of support is going to be the bearish channel pattern support line from the daily time frame. So currently the trend of the price action in hourly time frame is on a bearish side. Wait for the price action to break the support level of 1718 in order to take trades on the bearish side, which means it will be breaking the bullish channel pattern support line, and wait for the price action to take support on this support level and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement, based on which you can take trades on the bullish trend. And only when the price action breaks the higher time frame resistance level of 1735, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in hourly time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, I am drawing a trend line or a support line, and based on this support line, we have noticed a price action to respect this support line and to trend on the bullish side, and it has broken this support line with a high volume candle, which is the confirmation that it is going to continue its bearish trend, and we have noticed a price action to continue trending on the bearish side retracement. And if the bearish trend continues, next level of support from the higher time frame is going to be around 1718, and also we can expect it to take support on the 4 hours time frame trend line or the support line. Only when the price action breaks this support line, we can expect a bearish side trend reversal to start in 30 minutes time frame also. And if the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect a bullish side retracement to start in 30 minutes time frame. Next level of resistance from the higher time frame, it's going to be around 1735. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. The values in red color boxes are the daily time frame resistance levels and the support levels. Let us do the analysis in 15 minutes time frame. I am in 15 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 15 minutes time frame, we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement from the 4 hours support line, and it has formed a double top pattern. Currently we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. It has also broken the neck level of the double top pattern, and it is trending on the bearish side. Wait for the price action to bounce back from this resistance line of the 30 minutes time frame on the bearish side. It is only retesting this resistance line of the 30 minutes time frame. Wait for it to bounce back on the bearish side in order to take trades on the bearish side trend. Currently when we look at the price action, it is still consolidating within this bullish channel pattern support line from the 4 hours time frame and the higher time frame resistance line, which is around 1735. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 15 minutes time frame. So wait for the price action to bounce back from this 30 minutes time frame resistance line in order to take trades on the bearish side retracement, or wait for the price action to break this resistance level of 1728 in order to continue trading on the bullish side retracement. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, Please share your support by pressing that like button and press that subscribe button if you are new to my channel.